Today I'm going to demonstrate the capabilities of the GL Dimensions feature within SAP Business One and how it can be implemented to complement other features to present insight to the business. GL Dimensions resides under the financial module of SAP Business One, under the cost accounting folder. This is where it can be configured based on the company's requirements surrounding data analysis and comparisons. These dimensions are considered to be a horizontal feature, which means it isn't aligned to a particular industry or area of the business. Therefore, its application is somewhat flexible. As the name suggests, GL dimensions can be utilized to deliver multi-dimensional views or perspectives on either a single area of the business or across the whole organization. This includes modules such as sales, purchasing, production, logistics, and financials, can all leverage the GL Dimensions feature. For example, when I raise a sales order within SAP Business One, there are columns already determined to indicate business unit, channel, line of business, and cost center, which are utilized in the GL Dimensions feature. As I type in the details for the order and type in a product, the business unit, channel, and line of business dimensions are automatically determined based on the rules for this given system, while the cost center dimension is manually determined by the user. As I type in more content into the order, you will notice that the rules around given products are different. Where the line of business varies based on the type of product that is against the order. Other areas of this particular order is also freight, where the GL Dimensions feature also exists. This system has been set up so that any revenue attributed to freight is assigned to the business unit logistics. This sales order is one example of a multitude of documents that can capture GL Dimension data. But once that data is captured, it is freely available to be reported on. And GL Dimensions extend the capabilities of the standard SAP Business One reporting. For example, if I go into the financial module again and run a profit and loss report, I have all the typical parameters of running a profit and loss report. But under the expanded section of the report, you will see that I have the GL dimension values available to do additional reporting across one or many of the GL dimensions that have been set up in the system, which can also complement other areas of the system, such as projects or blanket agreements that can also be configured in SAP Business One.